Shrek, is that you? Hello to my beautiful artists! Today we are going to color Shrek and his loyal donkey together. I am so excited! Let's start with Shrek and color his face and hands green. That's right, green. Shrek is a friendly green ogre. I love this animation. It's like my favorite. Now it's time for his eyes. Let's color his eyes brown. It's time for Shrek's dark and dirty vest. Let's color it black. Yes, black. Oh, look, he's got a belt too. Let's color that brown. Kids, for Shrek's pants, we need to use light brown. Yes, that's right, light brown. And finally, let's color Shrek's shoes brown too, just like his belt. Kids, I love coloring with you. Keep going. Uh-oh, what's that? Is that a donkey? Yes, it's a funny donkey. It's time to color our adventurous donkey. Let's use blue for his eyes. That's right, blue. Kids, what color are donkeys? Let's keep thinking. That's right, gray. Very good job. Let's start with light gray and color the lighter areas. Amazing. It's time for the dark gray parts of the donkey's body. So, let's take our dark gray color. Amazing! Let's color the rest of the donkey's body with dark gray. Color along with me. It's so much fun! Let's use a red color for his lips. for the last part, let's use black for his hooves. It's that simple. Our Shrek and his friendly donkey are ready to go. But let's add some shadows. I'm adding my shadows with gray color. Ta-da! We did it! See you soon, guys. Bye!